everyone, welcome back to the Logging It channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to fix speech service by Google downloading English. So first of all, you open the settings on your mobile device. Once you're at the settings section, you need to scroll down and then click on Google. Tap on that. Inside Google, you need to scroll down and tap on Settings for Google App. Now then, inside Setting, you need to click on Search, Assistant and Voice. There, you need to click on Voice option. Once you're at the setting of the voice, you need to tap on the Offline Speech Recognition. There, you need to tap on the Auto Update and you need to choose the option of Do Not Auto Update the Language. This will fix this speech service by Google downloading English update waiting for network connection error. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.